Hi everyone, in this video, if you are interested to learn how to create quick tables in MS Word, then keep watching the video. First, you need to go to on the top menu bar and click on the insert and then click on the tables. And after that, you will see there is a quick table and you need to click on that, and after that you will see that a tabular list. You need to click on that. And here you can see that the table is quickly inserted. And if you want to create a row or a column, then what you have to do it, you need to right click and click on the insert. And if you want to create insert column to the left side, then click on the this side, and here you can see that a column has been inserted. And if you want to create column on the right side, then right click and then go to the insert column to the right, and here you can see that another column has been created. And if you want to create a row, then again right click, go to the insert and create insert rows below or above. It's up to your preferences. I'm right now clicking insert rows below, and here you can see that you just need to type your data and input the data. And you can also make this table to the bigger as per your requirement. You can also move this table to any area of the page. Simply what you have to do is you need to pick this plus icon and move towards the area where you want to put in, and here. So simply in this way you can create quick tables in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful and you have learned something new, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.